Okay, we have a Wholesome ice maker here that believes it has a full bin of ice when it doesn't. For this job, all you will need is a Phillips screwdriver. You'll need wire strippers of some sort. This is what I'm using. And I happen to have some solid core wire. You could do this a different way, but the first thing you need to do is make sure that this is unplugged. You do not want to be working on this while it is plugged in. That is very dangerous. Once you have it unplugged, when this case is on, there are 5 screws on the bottom that need to be removed. Once they're removed, you will pull outward on the bottom and then a downward, and you have to be pretty forceful to get it out. It's in there pretty good. Once that's out, there was a cover right here that just has a clip. I'll go ahead and show. So there it's on. To remove that, you just need to put something to pry right there just to drop that clip out. There's the edge of the clip right there. You can see if you just pry underneath it, it'll pop it out. Once that's out, you will be to the level where the components are. What's going on is you have a infrared sensor that is emitting infrared light, and this is picking that light up and letting it know that it's okay to go ahead and fill the bin. If it can't see the light, it assumes that there is ice blocking it. And I don't know whether this is bad or this is bad, and I don't really care. We're not going to let it overfill, so we're going to bypass the sensor altogether. If that's not what you're looking for here, then I don't recommend continuing watching this video. But the side with the black sensor is the one that is picking up the light. It's the red and black wire coming back. I clipped a piece of this solid core, stripped it, and placed it right in there with the wires. I didn't even remove the wires. I didn't care. What this will do is bypass the sensor. The electricity will come in the red and go straight around through the green bypass and into the black, letting the system know that the sensor sees the light even though it doesn't. Alternatively, you could snip this red and black wire, strip back some of that insulation, and twist them together and put a small wire nut on them. You could do that, but then if you ever plan to repair the sensor, it just creates more work. If I ever plan to repair the sensor, then I just have to pull out the jumper. Now, I did put hot glue in it so that it won't be able to come out very easily. They have all their components hot glued anyway so that they don't come out, so it works. Anyway, I tested it out. That fixed it. Now it no longer thinks that the bin is full of ice, so I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. By the way, you don't want, if I didn't mention it before, you do not want to lay this thing on its side to get to those screws. Otherwise, you'll have to wait 24 hours to turn it on because it has to do with the refrigerant and its location. So don't turn it over if you can help it. If you do, wait 24 hours. Anyway, I hope this is helpful for you guys all. Just reverse your process for putting things back together. There wasn't a whole lot there, you know. The clip here just goes in, and then the shroud on the outside, and then the 5 screws. All right, thanks for watching.